crayon.
Purple.
Grandpa Pig. Crystal Rarity. Purple Dragonfly. Yellow crayon. Flappy Bird. Susie Sheep. Yellow Lemon. Green crayon. George. Hulk. Green celery. Red crayon. Peppa Pig. Princess Ariel. Red Crab. Blue crayon. Daddy Pig. Destiny. Blue backpack. Pink crayon. Grandma Pig. Pink Angry Bird. Pink flowers. Orange crayon. Mommy Pig.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, skip to my Lou.
Hello Kitty in a tiger costume.
Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou,
Orange carrot. Brown crayon. Peppa Pig Weeble. Pepper. Brown turkey. It was so much fun looking at what was inside our crayons. Do you remember which color Susie's sheep was in? If you know, leave your answer in the comments section. This is Marshall, and he's red. This is Rocky, and he's green. This is Rubble, he's yellow. This is Chase, he's blue. Red, blue, yellow, green, blue ball, green ball, red ball, yellow ball, red ball, green ball, blue ball, yellow ball, red house, yellow house, greenhouse, blue house. Which house does this one go into? This one, red. Which house does this go into? This one, yellow. Which house does this one go into? This one, green. And which house does this one go into? This one, the blue house. Which house does this one go into? Over here, the blue. And which house does this one go in? It's this one, the yellow. And where does this one go? In this one, the green. Which house does this belong? That one, the red. Which house does this go into? The green. Which house does this belong in? It's the blue house. And where does this belong? In the red house. 1, 2, 2 red balls. 1 yellow ball. 1, 2, 2 green balls. 1, 2, 2 blue balls. Red, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, blue, Pops, we've got a situation. Quick, quick. What's going on, Ryder? I just got notice that there's a cat stuck in some rocks and it needs our help. Chase is on the case. Are you coming too, Rubble, Rocky, and Sky? Rubble on the double. Let's go, it's this way. Meow, meow, meow. Help me, meow. Here she is, guys. She looks so scared. We've got to help her. Can't we just climb over these rocks and get her? I'll try it. Whoa, these rocks are too slippery. Meow, try to eat your way here. They taste kind of good. That's why I got stuck. These are good. I could eat them all day. Good idea, Rubble. Let's all start eating our way to the cat. Chase is on the case. Oh yeah, these are yummy. Yay, we did it. But oh, now I'm so stuffed and I don't feel so good. Meow. Thanks for saving me, but looks like you could use a bath. Oh my goodness, look at these messy pups. I think it's time for them to get a bath. We have so much here to help them with that. We've got our toothbrush with Chase on it, some super cool bubble bath, including our bath paints with all our pups on them, and we've got some Orbeez, a big old tub for them to splash around in, and even some surprises to show you later. All right, let's get this bath party started. Come on, pups, let's get in the water. Woo! That's cold. I'm up next. Watch out, Ryder. Cannonball! I want to go next.
Yay!
Now it's my turn.
Yeah!
Chase is on the case. Here I go. Oh, I'm having so much fun in here. All right, let's do this more. There's a fly on me. Help me, Chase. Oh, thank you so much. Hey guys, want to get some Orbeez in this pool?
Yay!
All right, I'll go get them. Here they are. I'm gonna throw them down the slide. Wow, they're really squishy. Here come the Orbeez, guys.
Yay!
Wow, look at these Orbeez go. They're so cool. It feels funny on my toes in the water. Oh, they're bouncing everywhere. Watch out, Chase. They're gonna get you. All right. I want to swim in the Orbeez too. All right, Rubble. Time to see if we can get that chocolate off your face with your yellow bath paint. All right, here we go. Let's try to get that on your face so we can clean off that chocolate. I'll just use this to rub it all in and loosen up the chocolate off of your face. We gotta get you cleaned up. Let's see if we can use this toothbrush to get some of that chocolate off your face. Hold still while I clean it up. Hey, that's helping. All right, hop in so you can rinse off. All right, Rocky, your turn to get all cleaned up, and I've got your green bath paint here. Okay, here we go, right on your little nose. That should be enough. Let's just spread it all around to loosen up that chocolate. It's even on your badge. Let's get that too. Now for a real good scrub. Let's see how it works. Come on off, chocolate. Let's get that badge. We want it nice and polished. Oh, it's really helping. Ooh, can I go down the slide? Sure, Rocky. Here you go. Woo! Sky, are you hiding in there? Come on out so you can get all clean, because you're a real mess. Here's your pink bath paint. It is all over your little chinny chin chin. Let's take care of that. Oh, it's such a bright, fun pink. I bet you love that. And hopefully it'll help us get this chocolate off of you. Time to scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get this scrubbed off of you. Wow, that chocolate was a real mess. Okay, time to fly on in. Don't think I forgot about you, Chase. Here you go. Time for your blue bath paint. You actually don't have too much on your face. We'll just use a nice little dot right on your nose. That should be just enough to get you all cleaned up. I'm sure that chocolate tasted really good. And now we get to use this with your face on it. Perfect. Oh, does that tickle? Sorry about that. All right, Chase, you ready to go down the slide? Woof, woof. Okay, here you go. Woohoo! All right, you're up last, Ryder. You don't have chocolate, but you could still use a bath. We'll use this red Ryder paint. All right, here you go. Are you ready for it? Whoa! Red all over the face. Let's just spread that around. Does it feel funny? I bet it does. Now time to scrub up. Here you go. I'll be sure to get all your spikes. And your teeth. How about that? Good job. All right, time to rinse off in that water. Woo! How about, since we're still a little dirty, we make a bath paint slide? That's a great idea, Rubble. Let's do it. All right, let's use yellow for Rubble. All right, blue for Chase. Oh, doesn't that look like fun? We'll use red for Ryder. Ooh, right next to the blue. It's starting to look like a rainbow. Pink is for Sky. It almost matches the slide. And green for Rocky, the perfect touch. All right, Chase, it's your turn. Oh no, a shark! Ah, gotta get in the water! Watch out, guys, here he comes! It's so scary! Hurry, help, help! We need help! Ah, I heard the sharks hate bubbles. Someone get the bubble and Olaf! Oh, here he is to the rescue. Oh, hey, I don't like these bubbles. I'm out of here. Oh, thanks so much, Olaf. Unlike that shark, we really like bubbles. Could you send some more bubbles our way? Yeah, sure. Here they come. Oh, yeah. That's perfect, Olaf. Woohoo! We love these bubbles. Oh, man. Bubbles everywhere. It's like a mountain of bubbles. Hey, I can't really see you guys anymore inside of all those bubbles. Where'd you go? Oh, I think I can find you from inside. I want to go down the rainbow slide now. Woohoo!
Yeah!
My turn. Into the bubbles. Woo! I'm ready for those surprises now. Bring them on. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Surprises everywhere. I'm swimming with surprises. How cool! All right, let's check out these fun surprises. Why don't we start out with our Finding Dory bag? Oh, look at these fun characters like Crush or Hank or Hermit Crab. Let's see who we'll get. Oh, wow. Looks like we got Pearl. What an adorable little sea creature. I love the shiny pink and the big round eyes. Ready to go for a swim, Pearl? You bet. Okay, into the water. All right, what surprise is up next? Ooh, what do we have here? A Ninja Turtle Mashem? Can't wait to open this up. Let's see what we've got. Oh boy, I think it's... Look at this. It's a foot soldier from Ninja Turtles. Let's give him a squeeze. Whoa, do you see that bubble? How about another one? Ouch, and a stretch. Super stretchy. All right, foot soldier, how about you go down the slide? Here you go. Woo! He rolled right in. All right, let's keep looking. Oh my goodness, a Batman Mashem. Let's find out which character we've got. Oh my goodness, who could it be? And they might be all wet. Who's in there? Someone really dark. Oh, this is Catwoman. Look at her mask that makes it yellow. Let's give it a squeeze. Oh, it popped out of her head. What about those bright lips? Whoa, and a stretch. She is super squishy. Okay, Catwoman, see you later. All right, let's dig around in here for some more. Oh, what's this surprise that just popped up? It's a shimmer and shine necklace. Let's tear it open and see what we get. All right, there we go. It's opened up. Let's check out what's inside. Ooh, we've got a guide here. What about all of these necklaces? I'd like to have them all, but let's see which one we have in here. We'll just peel open our bag and slide it out. Here we go. Oh, it's got shimmer on it. And do you see Tala there too? So adorable. All right, let's keep going with our surprises. There's more in here with all these Orbeez. What's this one? Oh, looks like it's a Toy Story Mashem. Can't wait to see who's inside. All right, here we go. Who's it gonna be? I'm so excited. Is that who I think it is? It's Woody. Oh my goodness, it's Buzz's best friend, Woody. I love the hat that he has on and his yellow shirt. How about we give him a squeeze? Whoa, sorry about that, Woody. Let's try to squeeze your hat. Oh, super fun to stretch. So cool. All right, Woody, you ready to go for a swim? No, thank you. Too bad. In you go. Okay, I think we might have one last surprise in here. It won't slip away. What's this? It's a My Little Pony fashion from Series 3. Let's open it up. Who do we think it'll be? I don't know. A cute little pony, I'm sure. I know this pony. We've got Princess Twilight Sparkle. I love her wings and the stripe in her hair. She's super cute. We'll squeeze her too. Ooh, big eyes. And the other side. And a stretch. Oh my goodness. That's so much fun. What's that? You want to go down the slide? Yes, please. All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my goodness, I think I see one last surprise in there. Who's that floating around in our bathtub? It's Owlette. Owlette, let's get you out of there. Oh my goodness, let's take a closer look. This Owlette is so red and has some pink in her wings. She's very soft, and she comes on a necklace so you can wear her around. Wow, Owlette, I bet you'd like to fly on into that bathtub. You bet, send me in. All right, here you go. Woo! Woo!
Super owl wings!
Let's take a look at these PJ Masks cars. The first one we have is Catboy's car. It's blue and has his symbol on the front. Look at those headlights and the stripes around the wheels. So cool. Next we have Gecko's car here. It also has bright headlights and his symbol on the front. Super green. Last, we have Owlette's car. It looks so fast in this really bright red and her symbol on the front. Wow, look at that. Let's park them in their garages and see if we get some surprises. In you go, Owlette. And Gecko's car's next. Then Catboy. And finally, we'll put Mater in the yellow garage. Oh, look at this. We've got a Catboy surprise egg, and Catboy's on it. I bet he'd like to ride off in his cat car. Here, let's get him in. Here you go, Catboy. Now we get to see what's in our surprise egg. Ooh. It doesn't make any sound. What's in here? Oh, look at that. Owlette was hiding inside of the egg. Owlette, where's your vehicle? Let's get it so you can take off too. All right, here's your vehicle. Oh yeah, there you go. What's up next? It's Tayo, the blue bus. And Rogie, his brother. And Lightning McQueen. Now let's watch him go. Whoa, how about Tayo? And Lightning McQueen. Let's put Owlette's car in the red garage. And Rogie is going back into his green garage. All right, Tayo, your turn. And finally, Mater goes in the yellow garage. Oh, what's this? We got a surprise! It's a Paw Patrol Mashem! Let's see who it is! Oh boy, I can't wait to see which Paw Patrol character we have! Look at this! It's Rocky! Shall we give him a squeeze? Oh, cute! I love that Rocky loves to recycle. Look at this! We got all of our pup racers! Here they go! Chase is up next! Here you go, Chase! Rocky's up last! See you, Rocky! Bye! Let's put them back in! Oh, we got a surprise egg in this one. Let's see what it is. It's got a little minion on the front and on the back. Let's unwrap it. Oh, our chocolate is already falling apart. Let's get the rest of it off. Come on off, chocolate. Now we'll open up our egg. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look at our guide. Lots of different minions. Let's see who we have in here. This minion has 2 eyes and no hair. Let's watch him rock. Let's see. I'll do it again. Very cute. What did we get? Another surprise. It's a Paw Patrol Mashem. Let's see who it is. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, can you tell who it is? It's Marshall from Paw Patrol. He's a Dalmatian pup that loves to put out fires. We'll squeeze. And squeeze again. And stretch him. He's a cute little rescue pup. It's Rogie from Tayo. Oh wow, it's a purple car. And it says 7 on it. It also shows the number 7 on the other side. Oh, there goes Mater again. Get back in here, Mater. Let's hit our button and see who's in here. Whoa, it's the number 1 car in red. Oh, who's this? It's the number 2 car, and it's orange. What's hiding here? It's a surprise. What surprise is it? It's a Batman Mashem. Let's see who we got. Time to open them up. Oh my goodness, all in blue. We've got Batman. Let's give him a squeeze. He is super squishy. And stretchy. Whoa, Batman. Time to go fight crime. And our last one. Who's this? It's our number 3 car. And it's yellow. That was fun. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up.